I'm Dorothy. I am nearly 76 years old. I came to Confidental basically because one, it was locally, but two, I'd heard about the work that they do. It got to the point that I had to do something, otherwise I would have to have dentures or live with the gaps that I'd got, and I didn't want that. My dentist, Sandy, he is marvellous. He explains everything. He's very calm and he just reassures you the whole time. The treatment wasn't painful. I'm sat here telling you this now, and I only had treatment less than 24 hours ago. 2 implants down here, and I'm not taking any painkillers at all. So that tells you how good the treatment is. In fact, from talking to other people, I think their pricing structure is really, really reasonable. I think there's some people out there that charge a lot more. They always make you feel welcome. And if you've got any questions, obviously, they will try and answer them the best they can. Things that I've learned since I've been having the implants, the equipment they've got here is second to none. Sandy took blood from my arm, and that blood was used to ensure that my blood clotted quickly where the teeth were taken out. They keep up to date with everything, and I mean the surgeries are just immaculate, they really are. I'm very confident because I'm proud of what I've got, and I am not frightened to smile now, because when I smile, obviously my top ones are the ones that show the most. I didn't want to smile, it was as simple as that, but now I've got a lovely smile.